आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, in this question, show that x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p touches the parabola y square is equals to 4ax if p cos alpha plus a sin square alpha is equals to 0 and that the point of contact is a tan square alpha minus 2a tan alpha. So first write down the given information. The given information is the equation of parabola is equals to y square is equals to 4ax, and we have to show that the equation of line, that is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p is touches the parabola. Okay, so according to question, as you know that the point of intersection of a tangent with the parabola is equals to a by m square comma 2a by m. Now compare this equation of given line with our standard equation, that is y is equals to mx plus a by m. This is the general equation of tangent. This is general equation of tangent where m is the slope. Now as you know that the slope of a equation is equals to coefficient of x divided coefficient of y. Now we calculate the slope for our given equation of line, that is equals to x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p. Now rearrange this equation. We can write y sin alpha is equals to p minus x cos of alpha. Now divide both sides by sin alpha. So we get y equals to p by sin alpha minus x cos alpha divided by sin alpha. Now we can write y is equals to minus x into cos alpha divided by sin alpha plus p by sin alpha. Now compare with our standard equation, that is y equals to mx plus a by m. So we get the value of x is equals to, by comparing, the coefficient of x is equals to m. So here also the coefficient of x that is equals to m value is minus cos of alpha divided by sin alpha. So this is our coefficient, and that is equals to minus of cot of alpha. So our value of m is equals to minus cot alpha. Now here also comparing, so we get the value a by m is equals to, a by m value is equals to p by sin alpha. So a by m is equals to p by sin alpha. Now put the value of m that we have already calculated, that is a by value of m is minus cot of alpha is equals to p by sin alpha. So from this equation we can write the value of p. The value of p is equals to sin alpha into a divided by minus cot of alpha. Now cot alpha can be written as minus sin alpha into a divided by cot alpha can be written as cos alpha divided by sin alpha, that is equals to, in multiplication we have sin alpha. So in the next we can write this cos alpha multiply with p. So we get p cos of alpha value is equals to minus sin square alpha into a. Sin alpha into sin alpha is minus sin alpha into sin alpha is sin square alpha. So p cos alpha plus a sin square alpha value is equals to 0. That we have to prove in the question. Now we have to also find out the intersection point. So our intersection point is a by m square and 2a by m. So our point of intersection is equals to, that is a by m square and 2a by m. A by m square comma 2a by m. Now put the value of m that we have already calculated is minus cot alpha. So we get the value a by minus cot alpha whole square comma 2a by cot of alpha. Sorry, here minus cos alpha. So we get the value that is a by minus cot alpha whole square is equals to cot square alpha, comma 2a by minus cot of alpha. So our point of intersection is equals to a. 1 upon cot square alpha is equals to tan square alpha, comma minus 2a 1 by cot alpha is equals to tan of alpha. So in this way we prove that is this equation also, and the point of intersection is this. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।